Yo, what's up, man? It's Brian here. So I've been watching this Gabby and Brian case, and I'll tell you, man, it's going crazy. It's going so off the wall to left field. I hope they find that little shit. But I'm going to tell you right now, my opinion, the dude's not in them woods, all right? And then on that video, that slow-mo video where they found those flip-flops and everybody's telling me, or telling everybody that those are female flip-flops. Well, I'm in Florida. I wear flip-flops all the time. If you look in the video on the police cam, you will see the same flip-flops that Brian is wearing. So those are Brian's flip-flops, and he's in that car or in that van. He shut the door because he saw somebody coming. He was paranoid. And with that drone thing, I believe he was scoping that area out when he was sitting right there to basically drag that body. You know what I mean? And then I just found out just now that he flew back. You know, right after that police incident, he flew back to Florida and started moving her shit out of the house. Right there, that's one red flag. Cops should have arrested his ass right then and there. Period. Man, that's just my view. I'm still going to keep following it. But just so y'all know,
those flip-flops,
them flip-flops are guys' flip-flops.
they're his flip-flops.
Peace.